Mom, what happened? Where is everyone? Where are Grandpa and Grandma? Where did they
They
go?
are all in your Uncle Amaresh's room. Sulata is feeling unwell. It was a stressful situation after all. And Nipa, she's not coming back home as of now. She's going to her uncle's house in Maithon.
What?
Did she tell them why she created this whole fiasco?
No. Nipa is not in a mental state to talk about that now. And what will she say? Siddharth hasn't disclosed yet who was with Nipa in the guest house. Anyway, I don't want to say a single word about Nipa, Rajiv. Stop this discussion.
That means, Mom, this wedding isn't happening, right? Where is Dad? Now we should ask the wedding procession to go back.
Your dad has gone to see off your uncle at the station. He'll be back soon. The wedding procession must have guessed by now that something is wrong.
No, Mom. I can't understand anything. Why didn't Nipa come back home? How is it possible? I don't know what happened with Nipa. I don't know anything. Who trapped her? I don't have any information. If we don't know all this, how will this wedding happen? Brother Rajiv. Brother Nanda, did you speak to anyone? Please, someone say anything to me. What exactly happened?
Nanda, tell your brother-in-law that he's not going to get married to Nipa. Enough is enough. He has to accept this fact now. How can a girl be so irresponsible to elope with another guy on her wedding day? He wants to marry that same girl. He wants to make her the daughter-in-law of our family. Have you ever thought about your grandma, Ratul?
Mom, please try and...
Sushmita. Sushmita, I have no words to apologize. Really, I just can't imagine that my granddaughter could do something like this. She didn't even think about her family. My husband is also equally guilty. When he sees tears in his granddaughter's eyes, he can't remain strict with them. Did you learn your lesson now? The reputation of both the families are tarnished. I am not able to see Amresh in that state. God has been very kind. That Nipa wasn't harmed at all. After all this, it's not possible to think about marrying Nipa off to Ratul.
Mom, there's no point in talking about all this. Let Siddharth come back home. Let's hear everything from him first, and then we can probably... It is also possible that someone might have trapped Nipa and she didn't realize it.
No, Samresh. You can't save the family honor by saying all that. The damage has been already done. What a shame. The prestige of both families has been tarnished. I think it's better we should tell everybody that this wedding stands cancelled. I never imagined that I would be so ashamed someday. At this age, I'm having to bear so much. Sushmita, I will go to your mother-in-law. I will apologize to her with folded hands.
Uncle, please. Uncle, actually, I don't think that will be enough to console her. Actually, I'm really scared, you know. Every time I think of standing before her empty handed, I fear that she might be shocked. Actually, she's really not keeping well. So, after giving it a serious thought, I want to put a proposal before you, Uncle. Is it possible by any chance to marry Shri off to Ratul?
What is Aunt Sushmita saying?
Shri, no. How is that possible? Look, Mrs. Mitra, I don't want to marry off Sri in this manner. She's very dear to me. She's very close to my heart. She's the reason that I survived all these years, Mrs. Mitra. I know that I looked tough from outside, but Dad, please don't ask me to do this, Dad. Just think about Amaresh. How will he feel? Please think about him.
I'm not going to say anything regarding this. During Siddharth and Mithai's wedding, Siddharth had taken the decision because he was worried about me. I'm not going to say anything regarding this. No.
Mom, look, in this condition, in order to save the honor of both the families, I think we must take a step. Samaresh, don't you agree that it's hard to find a son-in-law like Ratul? In fact, associating with a family like Rajiv's is also not a small thing. Sushmita, please, could you ask Shri at once? I think her opinion is important. Samaresh, please allow this. Please.
Ratul, stop!
Will Ratul accept this marriage?
And when the situation demands, we need to accept many things. Am I right? Samaresh, if you give me permission, I want to talk to Shri just once. No. Please be assured that I won't force her. Believe me, I won't force her at all. But if you can just allow me to make one last effort to save the honor of both families, please.
Shri, I am really worried now. Sushmita will never let Ratul and Nipa get married. She is angry and her anger is justified. I know her very well. And what did Nipa do today? Who was her ally in this? She never thought about us. Well, Shri, okay, tell me, does Nipa have a boyfriend?
I don't know, Aunt Appa. I really don't know anything. All I know is that last night, Aditya Agarwal gifted her a diamond bracelet. Mithai showed it to me. We have informed Sid. Here is Mithai. Hey Mithai, come here. Tell Aunt about the bracelet. We can talk about all that later, please. First come with me. Well, please. Well, Aunt Sushmita is coming here. She wants to tell you something. Promise me. Promise me that you will answer her after thinking things through. Swear on me. You won't think only about others. You will think about yourself too. Please promise me. Mithai, what happened? Why are you saying this to me? What will she tell me that Aunt?
Sushmita, do you want to say something? Mithai told us. What is it?
Oh, Mithai has heard everything. Shri, I have a request to make. A request to me? What is it?
Sri, answer her after considering everything.
Shri never answers without considering all aspects. At least as much as I have observed her, she never answers without considering all aspects. Shri, today only you can save the honor of both our families. And I really can't understand what exactly you're saying.
Shri, Mother wants to get you married to Ratul.
What? My mother-in-law is too old, Shri. We have a reputation in Durgapur. I teach in a school, so my colleagues are also there. All my students know Rajiv and Ratul personally. We are honored over there. And Aparajita, it's the question of your family's prestige too. I won't be able to face anyone if this wedding doesn't happen, trust me.
No. No, Sushmita. Just because one sister has walked out of the wedding, you are asking the other sister to marry your son? Sorry, Sushmita. Your decision is completely wrong.
This is exactly what I've been trying to explain to her.
None of you are able to see the future. Listen, one thing is final. No matter what, I will not marry my son off to Nipa. And my decision isn't going to change. If only we could save our honor in this situation. I am not pressurizing Shri. I know she's quite mature. Shri understands other people's problems. That's why I could gather the courage to request her. Shri, I will wait downstairs for your reply. I'm in no hurry, believe me. Just see if you can save the honor of both families. Only then I will be able to face everyone with my head held high. Or else I will feel guilty all my life about choosing the wrong girl for my son.
You know what, Mom? Amidst all this, my position got very bad. Very bad. Grandmother will say, we agreed to this marriage since Nipa is your cousin. How could your cousin do something like this? Grandma is quite old. She believes in old values. How will I stand in front of her being a failure? I just can't understand.
Listen, Shri. Whatever is happening outside, keep all that aside. Focus on your life. You shouldn't listen to anyone. Don't pay any heed to what others are saying. Just keep this in mind that whatever might have happened, you're not responsible for it by any means. Will you keep that in mind? Let me step out and see what's happening out there.
Rajiv, what is Ratul saying about this marriage proposal? What is Ratul's opinion about this?
What can he say? He isn't left with any words. Actually, Ratul is very naive. He is still thinking that once mom calms down, everything will be all right. I mean, he thinks Nipa will overcome the shock and they will get married. But that's not going to happen. I mean, it's a truth that Nipa willingly ran away with another person on her wedding day. That fact can't be changed. No matter how much we try to make it look better. The fact is that mom will never be able to forget this day. So I too think that in this situation, the wedding shouldn't take place. I'm telling you, this marriage should better not happen. I should...
Antupa, Uncle Amresh has said that if Sister Shritama agrees, they can get married. But will Ratul accept this? Tell me, Antupa. Will Sister Shritama's life get ruined? I'm constantly feeling that. I am responsible for everything. I am responsible. Antupa, am I not the one who is responsible? Had I remembered about the bracelet, I wouldn't have let Sister Nipa go inside the parlor alone, and then such a huge disaster wouldn't have struck us. Why couldn't I remember all these things earlier?
Shri? Hey, Shri. I will speak to everyone. Don't worry at all, my child. I'll speak to everyone. You can't sacrifice your life like this. You can't sacrifice your life for Nipa. You can't do this. I'll speak to everyone. I'm going. I'll talk to everyone.
Mithai? Mithai, if you were in my place, then what would you do? Would you think only about yourself? Or would you think about your family too?
What I'll think? Sister Shridama, look at me. Listen, you are much more educated than me. There is no match between you and me. You have so much to do in your life, Sister Shridama. You have lots to
Why isn't
accomplish.
there any match, Mithai? Why shouldn't there be? You are a woman. I am a woman too. Nipa is my younger sister. And if the younger sister commits a mistake or does something wrong, then the elder sister should make it right. Look, today, because of a daughter of our family, Rajiv and Nanda's lives are going to get affected so badly. Aunt Sushmita's reputation is at stake too. How will Grandpa and Grandma face all the people? And Uncle. How can I not think of so many people and only think about myself, Mithai? How can I?